Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to practice conditional sentence. In my earlier video, I have shared related first conditional and zero conditional. That was zero conditional means there will be no any kind of conditions like we were using only present, only present simple with if in both sentences like if I study I if hit the water it get melts, so like that it melts. So in both when we use in both sentences present simple tense, then it is called zero conditional. And the next one was related future tense, that we should not use will with if in first sentence. Where it doesn't matter whether you are using in first sentence or second sentence, you must have to in your mind that in which sentence where you are going to use if. In that particular sentence you must not have to use will or shall in any future verb related verb, future related verb. You don't have to use with if. Like I will succeed, this is I will get succeed or I will succeed. So you are using I will success, I will get succeed. So in this sentence we are using will. But in the second, if I work hard, if I work hard, I am not saying I will work hard, मैं hard work करूँगी then only I will get succeed. Not, you just have to use I will get succeed if I work hard, not I will work hard. So whenever you use if with future tense, you just not have to use will. Okay. And today we are going to about had plus would. In sentence we are going to use had plus would and how it could be, and tips and tricks. I'm not going to deep down and giving so much details, guys. I'm here, I'm also learning, I'm speaking, I'm making mistake, and while practicing I keep searching, and whatever I got tips and tricks very useful that you one must learn in order to get a proper and right materials to learn. So I just try to grab that one and want to share with all of you guys. So today we are going to practice about if I had more time I would. We have to start the sentence with had, and in the second one we have to use would. And how it could be: if I had more money I would travel. If I had more money I would travel. What is the rule and function of this conditional sentence? Like if means you must have to use if as it is conditional. Whenever, how any sentence can be conditional? When we apply if. Okay, so when we apply if, it becomes conditional, and there are so many conditions we must have to in your mind. From that we have learned two, and this is the third class. We are going to learn about had and would. So if I had more money I would travel. So the formula is going to be like if plus subject plus had plus whatever object will be, and the second sentence I would plus verb 1. If I means subject, if subject plus had, and plus object, whatever you want to add, just add about after had. And the second sentence it would be like that: I would, verb 1 and the object. Okay, so we are going to make sentence that will be very helpful to learn this, and I will also share the best trick to keep in your mind that nothing will be required, nothing you will get required to learn more about this and deep down and any details video about this condition. One thing is there, if you keep in your mind, you are going to just sign in this conditional sentence. What is that? I'm going to share, guys. Just have patience and keep listening and try to practice more and more. So guys, if I had more money, if I had, it is not telling about your past, it's about a condition, imagination. You are imagining. If I had, अगर मेरे पास होता, if I had means अगर मेरे पास होता, you are imagination, in imaginary. Okay, you are thinking, imagining. So when you imagine that if I had best life, if I had best job, if I had Miss World, like that you can say, guys, अगर मैं होती, अगर मैं होती, अगर मेरे पास होता, if I had, not I were means मैं होती, it is if I had, मेरे पास होता. Okay, in imagination, as, has or have we use sometimes for past, what I have. So for that purpose we use had. Like if I had more money, मेरे पास ज़्यादा पैसे होते, I would travel, तो मैं travel करती. Yeah, the sense of would is करती, not for past. As we are using had, in the sense of had, it is related to past, so will would be changed with would. Had with would. We don't have to use will. Had, it is related to past, but we are not telling about past, it is an imagination. In imagination, with had we must use would. And most of the sentences, when you are going to speak in conditional sentence, you will have to use would. Keep in your mind, would is the most important part of your conditional sentence. Whenever you speak, you must have to use would. This is the core thing of conditional sentence. And if I had more ideas, if I would shine, I would shine in the world, I would shine. So like that, guys, you can start making sentences by imagination. This is the core tips and tricks you must have to keep in your mind, that अगर मेरे पास होता then मैं ये करती, अगर मेरे पास काम होता तो मैं ये करती, मैं अपना सपने पूरे करती. If I had a great job, I would fulfill my all the dreams. So in Hindi you can understand better about that, the concept. That is the reason I am sharing in Hindi. If you are not getting a proper concept in English, if I had, अगर मेरे पास होता then मैं ये करती, then मैं वो करती, then मैं बोला blah करती. So if I had more time, I would learn and join the best company to start work. I would start working more company. I would start working if I had great chance to work with great company. If I had, chance to start working, I would start from today. So guys, you can make sentence by using this. And if you don't have any ideas, if you are not getting this concept, then go Google it, ChatGPT it, you will get more details. Still, if you are getting confused, then let me know in my comment box. I am here to clear all the doubts. I will definitely answer your comments whenever you need. So guys, keep practicing till then, keep learning. And one thing is there, I keep sharing related data analytics courses videos. If you are interested to grow in your career, learning Power BI, Excel, Python, more the things guys, not have to, you don't have to pay anything. Just keep one step ahead and start learning and growing in your career. So guys, keep watching, keep learning, keep shining. Thank you. See you in my next video.